Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Taskade and Microsoft OneNote. So to get started with quick analysis, Taskade is all about combining task note and collaboration in a flexible all-in-one workspace. It lets you create two docs outline and mind map alongside your note, making it perfect for people who want a unified platform for both their project and their thought. But real-time collaboration, video chat, flexible view option, Taskday is a great match for teams or individuals who need a collaborative hub to stay organized and productive. So talking about Microsoft OneNote, on the other hand, focuses on freestyle note-taking and information gathering. It lets you jot down thought, insert images, draw, highlight, and arrange content in a way that feels more like a physical notebook. OneNote is perfect for people who prefer a flexible, rich medium for their note, whether you are a student, a creative, or a professional who want a digital notebook without a rigid structure. So if you want all-round collaboration tools with task management, TaskDay is just the best match. But if you prefer a rich, free-form notebook, OneNote is hard to beat. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two comparison. And that's it.